The video is made for BCom second semester students for basic English subject for Karnataka University, Dharwad. The video is presented by Prabal Jagdish Roddannavar, Assistant Professor of English, Shri K.H. Patil, Government First Grade College, Hulkoti, Gadag. My Brother by Nora Burke. My Brother is a short story of a brave boy, Sher Singh. Sher Singh is 12 years old, a child of the jungle. He has a little brother, Kanwar. They live in Laldwani village. Other children in the village were dead of cholera and influenza. Now there are only two children, Sher Singh and Kanwar. Kanwar is suffering from stomach pain. His mother wrings out rags in boiling water and lays them on his stomach to lessen the pain. She doesn't cry as she has been through these kinds of situations many times. The people of the jungle think of the hospital only as a last option for survival. Sher Singh's mother says he must be carried to the hospital at Khalghat. Sher Singh knows his brother is dying. He thinks of running for his father, Bahadur the Brave, who is away in the jungle with a photographic expedition. Sher Singh's father has a title Bahadur the Brave, a famous shikari, as he once saved his companion from a tiger attack. Now, all other villagers too have gone as beaters with the expedition. Eventually, Sher Singh decides to take his brother to the hospital alone. His mother has to stay behind because there is no one to mind the cattle and do work on the land. She takes one of her two saris and makes a sling for Sher Singh to carry Kanwar. Sher Singh feels the weight and the heat of his brother's body and doubts how he is going to manage till he reaches the hospital. Even his mother says, "You will never get there." The hospital is at Khalghat, which is at least 50 miles away. Sher Singh hopes to get there passing through the jungle and crossing the two rivers in between. In the jungle live the monkeys, the peacocks, tiger and panther and bears and elephants. At night, the sky blazes with stars. The sky turns purple-black. Sher Singh has good eyes and can see even in the darkness. He sees the footprints of a bear, which reminds him seeing a man injured by a bear. He moves fast. Realizing he can't go further without rest, on a cliff, he sets Kanwar down against a tree and he too lays against a tree with his eyes shut. It is then he hears the jostle and sequel of elephants. He sees below, on the riverbed, the elephants are traveling. He is frightened and prays for his and his brother's safety. Shortly, the herd disappears. Now, Sher Singh becomes ready to cross the river, which he visited often. The river is colder and deeper than usual. Sher Singh goes slowly because of slime on the stones. He thinks he can get a bridge which is made of bamboo poles, stones, thick grass and river gravel at the second river. As he reached the shore, he finds the footprints of a tiger. At midnight, Sher Singh hears the second river from far away. When he comes closer, he finds the river is flooding and the bridge is submerged under water. A fierce crest of water branches caught against the bridge and moving boulders give hint to Sher Singh where the bridge is. Also, a tree crashes against the drowned bridge, throwing up its bamboo ribs like a fan. There is no chance that Sher Singh can alone swim. He gathers grass and plaits it into a rope. He ties the rope round his brother so that they should not be lost in the flood while crossing. He enters the water just above the bridge. The deluge deafens him, timber bangs and injures him. The water is too cold and he does not know whether his brother is dead or alive. But he keeps his brother's head above water. He keeps moving. And eventually crosses the river. He is wet and cold, but he moves on till he gets a better road. He takes a bullock cart, then a truck. Finally, he reaches the hospital at Kalghat. Sher Singh is shy of big buildings, so he does not enter the hospital. Later, the doctor comes out and asks for Sher Singh Bahadur. Sher Singh replies, "My father is not here." When the doctor learns that Sher Singh himself has brought the child in from Laldwani, he appreciates him with the title Sher Singh Bahadur. Eventually, Kanwar's life is saved by Sher Singh's bravery.